Yes. Alrighty. A little sniffly. I don't have corona, I promise. Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Why am I wearing this? This is a neck fan. If you want to check out that video, it was the last one I put up. You can go ahead and check that one out. Today we've got another outdoors type product. It's an umbrella. I know what you're saying, Joey. What can be so exciting about an umbrella? Well, I'll tell you. This is an umbrella you don't need your hands for. It straps to your freaking head. Isn't that fantastic? I think it's fantastic. Let's open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so this is it right here. It comes in pretty standard eBay packaging. It's that bubble wrap. It's white this time. Usually it's gray. You know what? We're just gonna forget the formalities here. Dive right into this product. The bubble wrap is nice, you know, keeps everything protected. And here it is. Boom. It does come in an extra layer of plastic. Great for protection against cuts. I guess it's not going to protect it from getting scratched because it's a piece of cloth. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Joey, why is it camo? Because I chose camo. It does come in multiple colors. Some solid colors, some really like basic umbrella looking ones. I decided to go with camo because I believe camo was the best looking. But I already know if you're wearing this, you really don't care what you look like. Let's see. So this is what the inside looks like. It's got basically like the strap in the middle, and then some other things going on here. I gotta figure this thing out. Let's see if you push. This is interesting. Huh. Well, okay, so there's like a little peg in here that I'm assuming attaches. Ooh, that a really satisfying little snap into place. Okay, and then this band on here is not adjustable, but it is what's the word? Elastic. So we'll go ahead and put it on my head. See what? Ow, that is whew, not comfortable. Ugh. Okay. You know, I just realized that this thing being camo and me using a green screen, it's gonna look real weird. But luckily we'll have the B-roll so you guys can see what this thing actually looks like. I gotta say, it's on my head. It's you know, I'm over here moving and it's not falling off. The coverage, not bad. If it was like a downpour, we're talking raining sideways, this will not do much for you. It'll probably blow off your head. But if it's just raining, just a little light rain, and you're walking around and you don't feel like holding an umbrella, you could do whatever you want with your other hands, right? That's sweet. Then you combine it with this, you get some fresh air while you're dry. This is pretty cool. The comfort's not bad. There is like these plastic parts on it that kind of aren't comfortable when putting it on the head, but guys, it seems like it's made pretty well. It's a pretty standard umbrella material, and that elastic band fit my head. I have a pretty average sized head. I would say if you have a giant head, maybe it'll still fit, just more snug. So to take it back off, I'm assuming we can you just pull that, and it kind of closes right back up. That's not bad. That's not bad. This thing wasn't that expensive, guys. If you do want to get your own, I will pop a link in the description as always. It seems constructed well enough to where if you're careful with it, it'll give you good results. I'm happy with it. I'm sure you guys want me to like stand under a bucket of water and have it get poured on me. That's not happening this time. I might regret saying it, but if you do want to see that, go ahead and pop it in the comments. But other than that, it's a pretty great product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out, guys. What helps me out more is hitting the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It's just to help out the channel, make me feel like you guys care. If you want to check out the video with the neck fan, it'll be right up there. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it'll be right over there. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.